Hi, this is something that's kind of special that I want to talk about. That I'm really excited about to do this unboxing review. And this is the new Gundam Universe series. It's a collaboration between Bandai and Tamashii Nations. Now, I never owned any Tamashii Nation stuff before. So to own a Tamashii Nation thing is kind of exciting for me. And it being Gundams, yeah. So, this is like I said, a correlation between Bandai and Tamashii Nation with their new Gundam lineup of action figures from the Gundam Universe series. There's a couple, I believe they're going to release them as in three in each wave. So wave 1 is going to be the GU-01, which is RX-78-2 Gundam. So this is the first one in the lineup. And then the second one in the lineup is going to be GU-02, which is going to be the Wing Gundam from Gundam Wing, or Gundam Wing. And then you're going to get GU-03, which is going to be the Unicorn Gundam. Of course, it's going to be in the Red Cycle Flame Destroy mode. Does that mean that we're going to get more? I believe GameStop has one out. Well, it's pre-ordered. It's going to be Death Scythe from the Gundam Wing series. If you look on the website, it'll say Gundam Universe Death Scythe. That's going to be running you about $25. It's about the price of maybe a high grade model kit. Now, I did not say that it was a model kit. It just said Universe. And I know Gundam Universe is now coming out with these action figures. They're kind of around the same height as maybe a 1/144 scale Gundam. Maybe something between a 144 and a master grade or 1/100. It varies depending on from one Gundam to the next Gundam. But yeah. Now someone said that they bought these online from Hobby Link Japan, which I would never recommend anyone go to Hobby Link Japan. Their website service is really weird and wacky. I mean, the price might seem cheap, so you pay for the gun. Let's say, for example, you pay for the gun and you pay for shipping, but it will not ship it to you. You gotta go to your so-called private warehouse, which, how do I have my own private warehouse? I don't own a warehouse. I don't work for a warehouse, but yeah, you gotta go to your own private warehouse thing, claim it, and then you gotta pay for it again, and then pay the shipping again. So it's almost like paying for two of these Gundams, yet they would only send you one. Is that effort freaking retarded, stupid? So you pretty much are getting ripped off from there. You pay for it and the shipping, but then you gotta go and claim it. After you claim it, you gotta pay for it yet again with another shipping charge. Almost like if you were to buy two of them separately, but yet they're only going to sell you one, and then it takes about 6 months for them to ship it out to you. I'm like, no, no way. Never dealing with that company ever again. They took my money. They never sent me the thing. It's a bit of a ripoff. Now, people who liked it, that's good for you. What? And if you really liked it, here's the idea. Why not show people how to actually do it? Say, okay, let's just say we're going to throw this item into the digital shopping cart. Okay, here we go. We go check out. Then we go here to the private warehouse. Then we claim it, and then that, or you pay for it again. That would be a great idea of showing how helping out people, showing how them to use Hobby Link Japan website service. I mean, people did it for Samurai Buyer and Bai, those proxy websites. So, come on, it's about time that someone who really loves, Hobby Link Japan to show them. Zach Hilarious, Miyagitsu. I love it on YouTube, guys, because I know you guys really love them. I love your channels, but I mean, a little bit more info helping out people, who really love Gunpla and stuff, and model kits. That would be a really great idea to help out people. How to navigate the site so that they can actually buy stuff from the site. Because doing it by yourself, I mean, it's very hard and confusing. But yeah, I was amazed and shocked that I actually found these at Walgreens. Now they are about $25 at Walgreens, but I'm gonna let you in on kind of a sneaky deal. At Walgreens, they had them with the action figures that was the Power Rangers Legacy Thunder lineup or Lightning lineup as they call it nowadays. You know, where you could get the older Power Rangers things like the big action figure size. There was some Overwatch figures there, and all of them was saying like about $16 for action figure, right? So we're like, okay, there's no sign of this. There's no scanners in the store, so we walked to the counter and we're like, could you scan us for us? We need to know the price. It was like $24. I was like, $24? You got signs back there with the action figures that says, $16. It was like, that's what's went up on my scanner here, $24. But it's like, you know what? I know what you're talking about. Down the toy aisle, but they had the so-called action figures that, come in the big boxes like these. Like I said, the Overwatch and some of the Power Ranger figures. He was like, yeah, I know. Those ones say $16, so I'm just going to give it to you for $16. It's like, I know, we should actually, legally white, have a little sticker on it that says Gundam Universe $24.99, but it's like, I know, you call us on that. We don't have a sticker there that says Gundam Universe. We have all the others that says Overwatch, Power Rangers, yada 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 and stuff. $16.99, so it's like, I'll just give it to you for $16, man. But yeah, if you don't jump on this deal now, and definitely check your Walgreens, you might be paying $25, which not quite a bad price, but just to let you in on that little sneaky deal. And they're like, oh no, it's $24. Be like, okay, show me, come on, walk with me down to 12. Here's where the toys are. Here's where these so-called action figures, or collector action figures are called, located at. What do you see? Overwatch, $16.99. What do you see? Power Rangers Legacy lineup series, $16.99. Show me, where exactly do you see a tag sticker there that shows Gundam Universe $24.99? They'd be like, it's not, but that's what's going up. Be like, okay, well, put a tag sticker there. Put one there, right here, right now, $24.99. I bet to be like, all right, you know what? Just to get you out of the store, here, $16, like the other ones. But no, the guy was nice to me. He was like, yeah, I know, it's Army State. Our Westerners saying that it's 24, bud. Our toys back there are 16. So it's like, yeah, I know. I'll just give it to you for 16, man. He was like, yeah. But this is part of the first wave. I said, like I said, I believe in waves. They're going to release 3 in each wave. So wave 2, I think, is going to be the Death Scythe. I don't know who else is going to be on there, but nice artwork packaging. But I really had to talk about, that Hollywood Japan has them way overpriced. GameStop has them for about the same price as Hollywood Japan. But I would go to GameStop and, get some points and stuff. And then, Walgreens, right down there, you walk in, you can walk out with your Gundam. None of this prepaid stuff. So, yeah. As you can see here, it is made by... distributed by Bluefin. So a lot of Gundam kits that you get for Amazon stuff, they are going to be a Bluefin kit. Bandai Namco Group. You can go to www.bluefinbandai.com. Link down below in the description there. Here they are showing off some of the other kits. The Wing Gundam and the Unicorn Gundam. You could go to GundamInfo.com, which has a YouTube channel, which is kind of weird. The Gundam Info YouTube channel. Because they're like, Gundam Info. And they say it in English, but then when you go to watch a Gundam episode, it'll be all in Japanese, or you have to watch it in English subtitles. And you're like, what the F? I just seen the little hardware bar roll across the screen that said Gundam Info, and you said it in English. Like, how I'm speaking right here, right now in English. But yet, the episodes are in Japanese or English subtitles. Like, what the F, man? How come you didn't translate into actual English? For real. So it's showing like how they have movement parts there. Little backstory in history. You can't really see it too good on camera here. Like I said, the first Gundam from Mobile Suit Gundam in 1997. That's when Mobile Suit Gundam came out. The RX-78-2 was powered by Amaway and was equipped with armaments such as its 2 beam sabers and beam rifle. They should also say its shield, because, well, clearly right there it has its shield. And head Vulcans, because it does have head Vulcans in there. Yet they don't mention the head Vulcans or the shield, they just mention the beam saber and beam rifle. Like I said, beginning in 1979, the universe of Gundam spanned over 4 decades, with many diverse tales of war in space and on Earth, fought with giant robot weapons called mobile suits, or aka some were also known as Gundams, which was supposed to be more powerful than mobile suits. Because mobile suits are mass production, you know, like how you see tons of Zaku's and stuff. Gundam Universe commemorates the history with 6-inch scaled articulated action figures. So these guys are approximately 6 inches, give or take, you know, some details on some of them. I will open this one up if I can figure out how to open it up. I'm just going to go ahead on this side because that looks like the easiest one. Kind of show you what you get. Some of the accessories. Now, if you do move this yellow card out of the way,